SmartDraw is the fastest, easiest way to draw floor plans. In the Document Setup palette, you can change units and scale at any point while building your floor plan. You'll find several of the standard architectural, metric, and engineering options. You can also customize rulers and grids in this section, and choose your level of precision. All of the tools you need to create the floor plan are here in the SmartPanel. Select the Wall tool and click once in your work area to begin the wall and once more to complete it. Continue adding more walls to create a closed room. This circle will appear at the end of a wall to help you connect it accurately. An anchor will appear if you're connecting adjacently to another wall. Click on Select at the top of the SmartPanel or hit Escape on your keyboard to turn off wall drawing. Using the Select tool, you can move your room around or drag walls using these black handles, changing the width and angles of the room you're working on. You can click on the measurements themselves and type to change sizing that way. You can adjust the placement of the measurement bars themselves using these black diamonds. Like the other floor plan measurements, you can click on these angle degrees, type to change them, and the room adjusts accordingly. Add doors and windows from the symbol library by simply dragging them to where you need them to go, and they link neatly to the walls. Drag to adjust their sizes. From a vast array of libraries, you can easily add furnishings, appliances, and hundreds of other symbols. These distance guides help you position objects inside of rooms with precision. To search for any symbols that aren't already in your library, just type in this Search for Symbols box. The search results will be grouped by the libraries they were found in. Click on this plus sign to add the result that you searched for, or add the entire library of that symbol to your SmartPanel for future use. Just drag and drop the furnishings to where you want them to go in the room. Resize, rotate, or move objects around as you need to. If you move the entire room around, everything within it stays in place. If you add a room to a house or building, it snaps into place and the walls overlap seamlessly. If you drag an alcove wall level with the main room wall, it heals back into just one wall. When you right-click on a wall, you're shown options to set wall thickness, change wall shape, add wall segment, and separate a wall, among other helpful options. You can also find these tools in the Adjust Wall palette here in the SmartPanel.